Hey everybody, it's Paul from Travel Buggy. I'm excited to be with you to show you how to unbox your new AEROLUX Carbon foldable power chair. Let's start with this. Inside the box at the top is going to be your quick start guide. It summarizes how to set it up and some of the key features of the chair, so please take some time to review that. We'll set it aside for now. Secondly, reach in, you're going to find a smaller box. This is going to contain your joystick, your charger, your leg rest, and any ancillary tools you may need. Next, you're going to find your seat cushions, both the back and the bottom. And lastly, there's a handle on the AEROLUX that makes it very easy to pull it out of the box. Grip the handle, and at 29 pounds, it's easy to lift right on out. Okay, now that it's out of the box, let's open it up. First thing you're going to do is grab the armrest, start the process to open it, and put your hands on the top of the seat, not underneath here, top of the seat, and push down to fully expand it. Reach to the back, bring the backrest up and around, and click that into place. Now that it's expanded, let's put our seat cushions on. You would have received two unique types of seat cushions. One's going to have a longer top here. That's going to be identified as your backrest. So we'll put that on, and it just adheres to the back. The second one with the shorter top is going to be your seat bottom. Put that on as well. Okay, next we're going to install the footrest. So when you get the footrest, simply pull out the pin that's attached already, and insert the footrest, reinsert the pin to lock it. Just make sure that the pad is facing inwards. We'll do the same on the other side. Pull off the pin, insert the footrest, insert the pin. Next, we're going to put the joystick on. Simply insert it into the arm, fasten the thumb screw, and attach the joystick. Now make sure when you're attaching the joystick to align the arrows, there's little pins on here and you don't want to bend one of those when you're setting it up. Shipped with your chair is also some leg support. It's optional if you'd like to put it on or not, but to do so, you just wrap it around the base here, and around here. It just keeps your cast from sliding back too far. Your AEROLUX Power Chair will ship with the battery installed and charged, but if you wanted to remove it and reinstall it, I'll show you how easy it is. Simply align it on the right side, slide it in, and you'll know it's installed when the button expands. To remove it, press the button, slide it out. Now that the chair is set up, let's get into it. You can either go from the side by pushing this button here and raising the armrest. Alternatively, just flip the footrest up here and enter from the front as well. The AEROLUX's unique cross-fold design makes it really simple to fold in just a couple steps. If you decide to leave the leg rest on, that's fine. Just make sure you flip the footrest pads up and out of the way. Next, you're going to locate the handles below the seat cushion. Start to pull those up just to start the process. Next, you're going to bend the backrest down. And before the final push close, just make sure your foot is not in the middle or underneath the chair. Push it closed, and then you can grab the handles and off you go.